Ram is giving performance truck fans plenty to look forward to with a new lineup of factory-backed direct connection upgrades designed specifically for the latest Ram 1500 Rumble Bee models. Rather than offering a handful of individual accessories, the company has developed complete performance packages that let owners add more power, sharper handling, and a more aggressive exhaust note while maintaining confidence in factory-supported components. The new performance program covers the entire Rumble Bee family, including the standard Rumble Bee, the Rumble Bee 392, the 392 Track Pack, and the range-topping Rumble Bee SRT. Each package is tailored to the truck's powertrain, allowing owners to choose upgrades that match their performance goals. The biggest headline is the arrival of new direct connection supercharger kits. Engineers are targeting more than 600 horsepower for the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 powered Rumble Bee, more than 700 horsepower for the Rumble Bee 392 and 392 Track Pack, and over 900 horsepower for the Rumble Bee SRT. That gives buyers a clear path to significantly higher performance without relying on aftermarket tuning from multiple suppliers. Owners interested in improving handling will also have new options. A suspension package developed with Ridetech lowers the truck for a more aggressive appearance while using HQ Series coilovers with 24-way adjustable damping. The result is expected to deliver improved cornering performance while giving drivers the flexibility to fine-tune the ride for street or spirited driving. Direct Connection is also introducing Magnaflow catback exhaust systems for every Rumble Bee model. Built from stainless steel, with 3-inch mandrel bent tubing and black chrome, 5-inch exhaust tips carrying Direct Connection branding, the systems are designed to give the trucks a deeper, more aggressive sound while maintaining premium build quality. Appearance has not been overlooked either. New Direct Connection graphics packages will feature color-matched accents that reflect the performance level of each truck, helping owners create a factory-inspired custom look. Another important benefit is warranty support. When the Direct Connection Supercharger kits are installed by an Automotive Service Excellence certified Mopar technician, the original 5-year or 60,000-mile limited powertrain warranty will continue to be honored. Performance parts for the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 Rumble Bee are expected to arrive during the fourth quarter of 2026, while upgrades for the Rumble Bee 392, 392 Track Pack, and Rumble Bee SRT are scheduled to follow during the first half of 2027.